Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel all about electronics. So in this question, this transistor is used as a switch. That means whenever we apply the input pulse to this transistor, then it should switch from the cutoff region to the saturation region. And for that, we have been asked to find the minimum value of the alpha for this transistor. So here we have been given that the voltage VB is equal to 0.7 volt, while the voltage VC in the saturation is equal to 0.2 volt. So first of all, let us find the value of the base current when the input voltage is equal to 2 volt. So when the input voltage is equal to 2 volt, then let's say the base current is equal to IB. So this base current IB will be equal to 2 volt minus VB, that is 0.7 volt, divided by 12 kilo ohm, that is 1.3 volt divided by 12 kilo ohm. So if we calculate the value of this base current, then it will come out as 0.108 milliampere. Now here, whenever this transistor is operating in the saturation, then at that time the VC set is equal to 0.2 volt. So when the transistor is operating in the saturation, then at that time this saturation collector current or IC set will be equal to 5 volt minus VC set, that is 0.2 volt divided by 4.8 kilo ohm. So here I am talking about this current, and if we calculate the value, then it will come out as 1 milliampere. That means in the saturation, this collector current IC will be equal to 1 milliampere. Now we know that this collector current IC is equal to beta times IB. So here, for the given value of this base current, the minimum value of the beta should be such that this transistor should operate in the saturation. That means the value of the collector current should be equal to IC set. So for that, first of all, we need to find the minimum value of the beta. So here, the minimum value of the beta will be equal to IC set divided by base current. That means the minimum value of the beta is equal to 1 milliampere divided by 0.108 milliampere. And if we calculate, then this minimum value of the beta will come out as 9.26. And from this, we can find the value of the alpha. So we know that the alpha can be given as beta divided by beta plus 1. That means this common base current gain, or the alpha, is equal to 9.26 divided by 9.26 plus 1, that is equal to 0.902. So from this we can say that the minimum value of the common base current gain should be equal to 0.902. That means for the given question, the minimum value of the common base current gain is equal to 0.902.